Hello guys, today I've got Xiaomi Sound Play and I'm going to show you what to do if your Xiaomi Sound Play speaker keeps disconnecting from your device. So, the main fix is that your speaker may be just discharged and it drops connection. Mine did it. Mine was dropping connection just because of the low battery level. So just take a cable, grab a cable, power brick, plug into the power outlet, and of course put it right like that. It should be good now. Of course after 30 minutes, not like this, of course. So this is the first thing. The second thing, if it didn't help you, is that it's maybe your phone's fault or device. So try connecting your speaker to a different device. So for example, if you are using your phone, try connecting your speaker to a TV, to a laptop, or any other thing. This should work for you, and if it works on some other devices, not on this exact phone, your private phone, your phone may be at fault. You need to fix your phone. If it doesn't work for you still on other devices, your speaker is at fault. So what to do now? Find these two buttons right here, plus and play. Keep holding these two buttons until you see that your speaker is turned off. Of course, you need to push and hold them simultaneously, and this should help you. If it didn't help you, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye!